we know a lot about Roku. I know a lot about Roku because I use Roku every single freaking day of my life. I'm a Roku fanboy, but that doesn't even hold a candle to Rajesh here, who is a Roku engineer. So I'm feeling a little giddy right now getting to talk to Rajesh. How are you today?
I'm doing good, thank you.
All right, so today we're talking about what Roku has on offer for 2018. Now, you said that a lot of what we're seeing on the market right now is the Series 5 and 6, but what we have behind us is the Series 8 Roku.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, and so tell us a little bit about it. What's new with Roku in this Series 8?
This being a Roku TV, I would like to showcase some of the new features that we have added, especially to the tuner input. All Roku TVs have tuner input where plugging into an antenna, you will be able to scan for channels, and I'm going to showcase a couple of new features that we have added to the tuner input. We present the tuner input on the home screen, so it's very easy to go to the tuner input. You don't have to fumble through the remote to find where it is. And once you select the tuner input, it takes you to the last tuned channel. And you always get a preview of what's playing right now. So in this case, it tells you are on channel 8.1 and it's playing Let's Make a Deal. But in Roku OS 8, we have added a new feature called Smart Guide. And with Smart Guide, you get a 14-day preview of what's available on all the channels that the Roku TV has scanned for. So in this case, you find here CBS HD, and it's currently playing Let's Make a Deal. The one coming up next at 2 p.m. is the Talk, and you can scroll through the Smart Guide to find what's coming up next. And as you might see here, it's a very fluid experience, no judder, no lag, and you'll be able to scan through the Smart Guide very, very easily.
So all I need to take advantage of this is to plug an antenna into my TV. I can just use an HD antenna, and it will tune automatically and get me this information?
Yes, that's right.
All right, fantastic. What else do we want to see on this Roku 8?
In addition to the Smart Guide, we also have a new feature that we call More Ways to Watch. Every time Roku identifies any content that is on the Smart Guide, which are also available on other Roku channels, streaming channels, we mark that with a star, and the star indicates that there are more ways to watch this content. So in this case, we have PBS HD, and what's currently playing is Nature. Let's go to what's going to play next, which is Big Pacific. That show starts at 3:30. You might not want to wait until 3:30 to watch it. Then you go there, and then you hit the star key, and now we tell you where you can watch this show right now. And in this particular case, Big Pacific is available on both Amazon Video and Vudu. And we also tell you how much it costs. So in this case, you buy it for $199 on Amazon, or you buy it for the same price on Vudu. Depending on your preference, you might choose one over the other. And with a single click, we launch the channel and take you to the details page of that particular show or movie. And with another click, you will be able to start watching that content.
This is awesome. Okay, so by the way, we did not do any prep. He is telling me about this the same time he's telling you. But this is my all-time favorite thing about Roku, and that is the more ways to watch. My favorite thing ever since Roku launched was you could search for a title and it would order things by price. You know, you can watch it here, here, and here, and you can see the price right up there. So now you've integrated that with your smart guide for the antenna. Frankly, I'm pretty impressed with that, and now I want a Roku 8. How long until we get all of this functionality in Rokus throughout the world?
The Roku OS 8 has already been pushed out to all the Roku players and Roku TVs. You might need to have a Roku TV to take advantage of the antenna input, but you get the same version OS 8 for Roku set-top boxes as well.
Fantastic. So yeah, I have a Roku TV at home because, like I said, I'm a Roku fanboy. So I'm going to go check this out. It's already available. Just if you have a Roku TV, check it out. If you don't, if you have a regular Roku, there are still some of these other Roku 8 features available for you. What is the number one thing that you would point out to somebody who doesn't have a Roku TV, but just has a Roku now with the Series 8 software on there?
So you might not have a Roku TV, but you might have a set-top box which is connected to, say, a different manufacturer TV. We have a new feature in the search where we tell you a particular movie or TV show that you might search for, if it's available on an over-the-air channel, and we tell you what time it's going to be available. So let me take an example here. Let me go search for Big Bang Theory. I just did a search for someone else, so I'm just going to select that. On a Roku, we always tell you all the different seasons for a particular show, whether it's available on the platform or not. And also we tell you which different streaming services that particular content is available. So in this case, Big Bang Theory season 11 is available on these 4 streaming services. In addition to that, we also tell you it's going to be on channel 8.1 today at 8 p.m.
So it's almost the reverse of what we were talking about before. It goes both ways.
Exactly.
Oh, that's fantastic. Okay, well, hopefully that gets you guys excited for Roku Series 8, this new software that's just been pushed out. If you already have a Roku, go check it out, these new features. You can go, I assume you can go to Roku.com and read up about all of this stuff.
Yes, that's correct.
And so we'll put a link in the description below if you want to check that out. If you don't have a Roku, go check out our review of Roku. We did a review of the Roku Ultra a little while ago. That'll kind of give you an idea of what the platform is like, what we like about it. I'll tell you, this is a new thing that I really like about it. So if you guys have any questions or comments, go hit us up in the comments below. Like and subscribe. We really appreciate you watching. We'll see you next time.